So hello everyone, it's OlMZARA'S Calm. Today we're gonna work on repairing a shower curtain, but we're gonna use our scraps and small pieces of fabric that we call crumbs. This is my shower curtain. It has ripped at the top. Instead of throwing it away, I thought I would repair it. Since I have lots of small pieces of fabric, I can make a border at the top, and that's what we're going to do today. So if this is something that you truly enjoy doing, then you are welcome to join me today. Look at that sun tea. So welcome to my channel, and let us begin. So what we want to do is measure that the top of your panel that you cut off. You want to cut it off evenly across. I use my rotary cutter, and we're going to take the measurement of the part we cut off, and we're going to add 2 inches to it. And then we're going to know how wide we need to make it and how long. And what are we going to add? We're going to add crumbs. These are my crumbs of fabric. These are small pieces of fabric that I have made. I've taken and sewn smaller pieces of fabric together to make a panel that we're going to use to sew. And this is only for, this is called crumb porn. If you love to look at crumbs and small pieces of fabric and how the colors go together and how they're sewn, and you really get excited about the little slivers of color and different colors of fabric, then this little section is for you. Don't you just love how they look? Now, I took an evening and I sat down and I just put my bag of scraps of fabric next to me, and I cut long slivers of fabric, and then I'm going to sew that to the smaller sections to make the fabric become bigger. So enjoy this video here. This is crumb porn. This is fabric porn. And yes, I'm on my front porch. We're here, we're recording, we're enjoying all the sounds that is around us. We're glad to be alive. We are hearing the birds chirp as well as the trash being taken out. Look at those crumbs, you guys. Look at those. Look at that fabric that I've made from other forms of fabric. So once you get it the width and the length that you want, you're going to need to add a backing. And this blue and gold is what I found. It is actually, it may be upholstery fabric, and that's what I used. And I'm going to show you what I did. So I have cut this the size that I need. I've sewn the 2 together, and now I'm going to turn it right side out, and then also I'm going to enclose the edges too. So that's what I'm doing here. You make your shower curtain top the width and the length that you need. This is what I need, so you want to measure your own. And then I found some of these doohickeys to put on. And how did I get the whole measurement? I just took the old one and measured at where each of the holes are supposed to go. And you can do the same. Look at those beautiful, look at that beautiful fabric. Look how gorgeous it looks. So once you get all that together, and I'm gonna show you how I pinned it up. Now this is my front porch. It is not very clean, but it's okay. We are natural people, we are real people, and this is real life. And so I put the wrong sides together. You see that those were wrong sides together, and I have sewn that down. Now that I've sewn it down, I'm going to put that together and I'm going to enclose that seam. So that's why you might want to add, instead of 2 inches, you may want to add 3 inches to your top banner that you're going to put on. And that's how it's going to look. It's all finished when you're done from front and back. And it looks nice. And even the ends are enclosed. I want to find out what the name of the seam is. So all of my quilters and people who sew, put in the comments what that seam is. And there you have it. It is completely done. It is ready to get hung back or washed or hung back on the shower rod. Make sure though, if you're using these grommets that I have, or whatever they're called, that they match and they fit the hole that you have for your rings to go on. This is how the back looks. It's all finished. Wouldn't it be nice if I put the back on the front because the blue in that? But I wanted my crumbs to show. I do really enjoy sewing small pieces of fabric together and to see what I can get out of it. This made the shower curtain very sturdy. I mean, even a kid could swing on it, and if the curtain rod itself didn't come down, it would still stay up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will go in and do a shower crumb quilt shower curtain repair. I think you'll like it. You will really enjoy it. I just love to look up at the top of the shower curtain and look at all those fabrics. They have a lot of memory for me in those fabrics, so I can go on and on. So thanks for watching, and to all of my YouTube fans, thanks for getting me up to 2K subscribers. And all of our prayers are going out for those who are caught up in the coronavirus. Our prayers go out to you. So OlMZARA'S Calm is signing out. Goodbye for now.